Hi randoms, today I want to share with you guys my experience of using this Nivea soft cream on my oily acne prone skin for more than a month now. And yes, she is the softer, lighter version of her famous sister, the Nivea cream in the blue bottle. And really, since this is softer, this cream is more suited for more acne prone, oily skin people, or maybe just people in general that don't want as much moisture or a heavier moisture than this cream provides. And yes, don't you worry, this review is gonna be in full matte style. Therefore, I will be telling you everything ranging from what I liked about this, what I didn't like about this, the benefits and results that I've seen, also touching on the formula because you know I love a good formula, and much more. So if you're interested, let's get to reviewing. Now, first off, I want to start talking about the formula. So the formula for this contains, as it says on the bottle, I know that you can't see right now because it's really small, but don't you worry, I got you. I'm gonna pop it on the screen so that y'all can see better. But it says it contains jojoba oil and vitamin E. Now, first off, vitamin E is an antioxidant, just like vitamin C. Therefore, it's supposed to have the same benefits and it's supposed to give you the same results. Now, what are the results of a vitamin C over an antioxidant, you might ask? Well, first off, they're supposed to brighten up your skin, even out your skin tone. So maybe if you have some dark spots, if you have some discoloration, if you even have some redness from rosacea, that is also supposed to help, and protect your skin from all the free radicals and pollution in the air. So really having an antioxidant in your skincare routine or in one of your products is really important. However, I have to say vitamin E is not the gold standard when it comes to antioxidants because vitamin C is much more effective. It has so much more research backing it up, and so really we just know that vitamin C is a lot better than vitamin E. Therefore, if you have a vitamin C in your skincare, I really think that this is not gonna give you any added benefits, like you're not gonna see any results. Also, since this is in a cream, it's really diluted and it's not gonna be as powerful as maybe even a vitamin E serum would give you. And now this cream also contains jojoba oil. And now I know for all you oily skin people, I know that you all might be scared of implementing maybe an oil in your skincare routine and using one in your creams because you might think that it actually might make you more oily and more just greasy and make you break out even more. But trust me, this is not the case, at least for jojoba oil. Because you guys, jojoba oil is actually the closest oil that there is in nature that is closest to the sebum, so the oil that we produce in our skin. And why this is especially beneficial for oily skin people is because when you put this on your skin is just gonna see, oh my god, I have all this moisture on me. I don't need to overproduce sebum. I don't need to produce any more oils, and so your skin is gonna be left looking very glowy and moisturized without all the extra grease and oil that we all hate. So you guys, this is why I actually like these 3 ingredients in this cream. But now if I also flip the tub and I actually start reading the ingredient list, the first ingredient is aqua, so water, which is really nice in a moisturizer because it's gonna provide all the moisture that you need. Water, hello. This also contains glycerin. Glycerin is a very nice humectant and it's really gonna help all your skin retain the moisture provided from this moisturizer. This also contains paraffinum liquidum. And if you didn't know, this is also known as Russian oil, which again is another natural humectant, and it's actually really nice for, again, help your skin retaining all the moisture that you need. However, it can be a little bit greasy and it can be comedogenic for some people. So what this means is essentially it's gonna maybe clog your pores, but really I haven't experienced this in my skin, and trust me, I am the sebum queen. And so I have so much oil that really everything clogged my pores. And you guys, this hasn't done it for me, so it shouldn't be a problem for you too. Now you guys, if I continue reading the ingredient list, this is where it gets a bit controversial because it contains denatured alcohol. Before you jump out of the camera and come at me to choke me because I can already see you getting mad at me for recommending you this product contains denatured alcohol. So if you don't know why denatured alcohol is actually really bad, it is because first of all, it irritates our skin. Second, alcohol is really the devil when it comes to skincare, along with the sun, because it ages your skin so badly. But now, why is this okay to have in this? And I think that I can close an eye and look the other way and still recommend and use this product myself because I love it. Let me show you how much I've used this product. I don't know if you can see because it's white on white, but literally I'm about to finish the tub. But so this is okay because it actually doesn't contain that much denatured alcohol. And usually denatured alcohol is harmful for your skin when it's first, second, or third down the ingredient list. However, this is contained in really small concentration. And so it's not going to be enough to really damage your skin a lot. So for example, some toners from Nivea, they contain denatured alcohol as the first ingredient. So really, I'm not surprised that this cream contains denatured alcohol because Nivea for some reason just loves to use denatured alcohol. This is the first thing that I don't like about this formula specifically. Now, if I also continue reading the ingredient list, there are some really other good ingredients, like for example, Simon Sodia Chinese seed oil, which is actually really moisturizing and really nice for your skin. The last ingredient that it contains is parfum. And now parfum is fragrance. And now you guys, you know, if you've seen my channel, if you watched my videos in the past, you know where I stand with fragrance. I hate fragrance in my skincare because it really does nothing for you apart from irritating your skin and really just smelling nice, which if you want to smell nice, you can use perfume. Don't use fragrance in your skincare. But I have to admit that this scent, first of all, it's kind of like lemony. It's very delicate and nice. It's not overpowering. Sometimes it's just nice to have a little fragrance in your skincare, but still, the fact that it contains denatured alcohol and parfum, it's not the best. But again, the fragrance is last in the ingredient list and the denatured alcohol is not going to be enough to harm your skin. But you guys, don't worry. If you don't want to use this cream, which I totally get, Auntie Matt has got your back, and I actually reviewed the CeraVe lotion cream, card would appear if you haven't seen that video, and that cream does not contain any fragrance or any denatured alcohol, and really actually that formula is really moisturizing, really nice, so smooth. But really you guys, I just love the formula. I'm actually gonna put on some now because girl, I love this cream so much. Ooh, it's so refreshing. And now you guys, moving on to my experience with this cream and how I implement it in my skincare routine, I thought it would be nice and fun for me to show you while I apply this. So first off, I really love the consistency of this cream. As you can see, it is very quite watery and cloudy-like. It's very soft. Hence the name soft cream. But anyways, I literally apply this every morning underneath my makeup because it's so soft. If I just apply a little, it just leaves my skin looking glowy and moisturized for the whole entire day, and it sits really nicely under my makeup. So for all the makeup lovers, this cream is great. But also I use it at night because this is my nighttime routine, and I just apply a little more. I apply this moisturizer after I do my treatment. So today, in this case, I went in with a salicylic acid and then with a lactic acid. And you know, I did go in with a little too much. I went a bit overboard, you know, and so my skin was a bit red and stinging because salicylic acid and lactic acid both sting. Because, you know, I got distracted. I was listening to some Megan Thee Stallion. And we all know how that goes. You know, you start jamming, you start rapping, you start feeling yourself. So I just put a little more to really calm down the redness and the irritation on my skin. It leaves my skin so glowy and moisturized, as you can see. It's not like a heavy moisturizer, it's really glowy and watery. And usually I wake up in the morning still with a little bit of this glow, which this tells me that this cream is actually really nice and really effective in moisturizing, because my skin, even though it's really oily and it usually sucks up dry everything that I put on, this cream resists my very thirsty, like a hoe kind of skin. So you guys, this is why I really like it. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot the neck. You guys, you were distracting me. You did it on purpose, didn't you? Always remember to blend your moisturizer also down your neck and a little bit, you know, even behind your neck right here. Give this part a little bit of love as well, just to keep it really moisturized and nice. You really want the neck to age at the same speed and the same rate as your face is aging. You don't want a really youthful, really wrinkle-free, nice face, but then a really wrinkly, raggedy ass neck. And you guys, I think it's only fair for me to mention the price of this, because yes, this might contain some denatured alcohol, and it also might contain some fragrance, which might not be the best, and there are some better moisturizers around that don't contain either. But you guys, I have to say, the price of this, you cannot beat it, because on Amazon for £5 you get 500 ml of this. I mean, that is just insane. For this formula, the ingredients that it contains, the amount of product you get, £5 is totally insane. And yes, I am applying it on camera right now while I'm speaking about it because I just like it so much. This really means that you don't have to ration it, you don't have to pay attention to how much you put on, because we all got that bougie, very expensive cream that we have to ration, and also it's like a ritual putting it on because we have to enjoy it so much because we know that we can't afford it. And so really you just use your pinky. If you have long fingernails, you go in with the fingernail, and so you do like you pay attention to get the littlest that you can, and then you just apply it with your shaky hand because you're scared of wasting it, and then you just and then you just blend it and you pay attention. You guys, with this one, you don't have to do any of that. You can scoop it up with your hand. You can wipe it all over your body. You can use it as an, I don't know, as a lubricant. You can wipe your ass with it. You get the point. You get what I mean, okay? It's so cheap. This is why I like it. Also, another thing that I do want to mention, since I told you guys at the beginning of this video that this is the lighter, softer, skinnier sister of the Nivea cream in the blue tub, I do want to compare it in terms of formula-wise. This is a lot heavier, it's a lot more moisturizing, and it does contain more comedogenic and more pore clogging ingredients than this one. However, this one does not contain denatured alcohol, so really, in that case, for this, it's much better. It does still contain fragrance, and I actually made a review about it, so if you're interested in seeing how I use it on my oily acne prone skin, and also this is very suitable for dry skin people, so if you're watching and you have dry skin, definitely go check out that video because it's really gonna be helpful for you to know how you can use this cream. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and for all my randoms, my regular subscribers, by now you know what time it is, and if you don't know what time it is, this means that you either watch one of my videos and you haven't watched it the whole way through, in that case, shame on you. Or if you're just bumping on me and this is the first video that you see of me, then definitely consider subscribing and turn the bell icon on because I make skincare videos all the time. I'm just here in my room alone. I feel that if you like skincare, if you want to learn more about your skin, how to treat the issues, some issues that you might have in your skin, or just really want to know what your skin needs, then definitely subscribe and turn the bell icon on. And now it is time for the Italian word of the video. And since this video was all about this Nivea soft cream, emphasis on the soft, the Italian word of the video is going to be gentile morbido, which is soft / gentle in English. Now, this is because when we say soft, the literal translation is morbido. So like you have soft hair, you have capelli morbidi. However, we also say gentile, we say gentle, which like in a cleanser, you say a gentle cleanser, un sapone gentile. So this is why I'm saying both. But girl, I know what you're about to do, and no, don't. Look at me, look at what I'm doing. I'm so entertaining. Do not click out of this video. Oh no, there's no need for you to do that because I have other videos here on my channel that are actually all about skincare, so why don't you just watch them? They're here, they're gonna be super fun, super interesting. Just click one of them. And oh, remember to be random. Always be random.